Tiny but mighty, ants are some of the most organized and fascinating creatures on Earth. Today, we're diving into their incredible world to discover how they live, survive, and thrive in huge communities. Ants live in highly organized colonies, often called superorganisms, because the colony functions as a single, coordinated entity. Within these bustling cities, each ant has a specific job, contributing to the greater good of the community. It's a level of social structure that rivals our own in its complexity and efficiency. Each colony usually has three main types of ants, each with a distinct role. At the heart of it all is the queen ant. She is the mother of the entire colony, and her primary responsibility is laying thousands of eggs, ensuring the colony's continuous growth and survival. Then we have the worker ants. These are the true backbone of the colony. They are tireless, performing a huge variety of tasks. They gather food, care for the young larvae, maintain and expand the nest, and even defend it when necessary. They are the jacks of all trades that keep the colony running smoothly day in and day out. Finally, there are the soldier ants. These are the colony's dedicated defenders. Often larger and equipped with powerful jaws, they are strong and fierce, standing guard and protecting the colony from predators and rival ant colonies. So how do millions of ants coordinate their actions so perfectly? The secret lies in their sophisticated communication system. Ants communicate mostly through pheromones, which are chemical signals that they release from their bodies. These invisible messages can convey a wide range of information, from alarm signals to directions to food. When a worker ant finds a food source, it doesn't just eat its fill and go home. Instead, it lays down a pheromone trail as it returns to the nest. This trail acts like a scented roadmap, guiding other ants directly to the discovery. Soon, an entire procession of ants follows the trail, creating a superhighway of activity that allows the colony to efficiently harvest the food. This chemical language is the key to their incredible teamwork. Ant nests are nothing short of engineering marvels, showcasing their builders' incredible skill and foresight. Many species construct vast underground labyrinths with intricate networks of tunnels and chambers. These chambers aren't random, they're specialized. There are nurseries for eggs and larvae, pantries for storing food, and even a royal chamber for the queen. Other species build their homes above ground. You might have seen the towering anthills that dot fields and forests. These structures are more than just piles of dirt. They often include sophisticated ventilation systems with chimneys that regulate temperature and airflow, keeping the nest cool in the summer and warm in the winter. It is a testament to their collective intelligence that a single nest can house thousands to millions of ants, all living and working together in perfect harmony. Worker ants are relentless foragers, constantly searching for resources to sustain their massive colonies. Their foraging strategies can be incredibly diverse and clever. Take the leafcutter ants, for example. You might see them carrying large pieces of leaves back to their nest, but they don't actually eat the leaves directly. Instead, they use these leaf fragments as a substrate to cultivate a special type of fungus. This fungus is their primary food source, making them tiny, sophisticated farmers. Other ant species show remarkable foresight by storing food for leaner times. They lines gather seeds or other non-perishable items during seasons of plenty and stock them in their nest as storage chambers, ensuring the colony has enough food to survive the winter or a drought. This level of planning and teamwork is crucial for their long-term survival. Life for an ant is full of dangers. They face constant threats from predators like birds, spiders, and lizards, as well as from rival ant colonies competing for the same resources. To counter these threats, ants have developed a variety of impressive defense mechanisms. Soldier ants are the first line of defense, using their powerful mandibles to attack and repel intruders. Some ant species have even more specialized weapons. Many possess stingers that can inject painful venom, while others, like the aptly named acid-spraying ants, can shoot formic acid to deter attackers. The army ants are particularly famous for their aggressive behavior. They don't build permanent nests, but instead form massive, mobile columns that conduct raids, swarming and overwhelming anything in their path, from insects to small vertebrates. Their sheer numbers and coordinated attacks make them a formidable force in the insect world. The world of ants is incredibly diverse, with different species showcasing unique and amazing adaptations to their environments. Weaver ants, found in the tropics of Africa and Asia, are arboreal architects. They create their nests by stitching leaves together. But how do they do it? Adult ants can't produce silk. So, the worker ants hold their own larvae in their jaws and gently squeeze them, causing the larvae to secrete silk, which they use as a thread to bind the leaves together. It's an extraordinary example of using tools, in this case, their own young, to build their homes. Then there are the fire ants, infamous for their painful stings. During floods, they exhibit a stunning survival tactic. The entire colony links their bodies together to form a living, waterproof raft, with the queen and larvae safely protected in the center. They can float like this for weeks until they find dry land. And let's not forget carpenter ants, which hollow out wood for their nests, expertly carving tunnels and galleries to shape their homes to perfection. Beyond their own fascinating societies, ants play an essential role in our planet's ecosystems. They are tiny but powerful environmental engineers. As they build their nests, they aerate the soil, which helps water and nutrients reach plant roots, improving soil health. They act as natural pest controllers by preying on other insects and keeping their populations in check. Many ants are also crucial seed dispersers. They carry seeds back to their nests, and some of those seeds end up sprouting in new locations, helping plants spread. They are also nature's cleanup crew, breaking down dead animals and organic waste, recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. Without ants, the delicate balance of nature would be dramatically affected, highlighting their importance in maintaining a healthy planet. From their super-organized colonies and complex communication to their remarkable teamwork and incredible survival skills, ants are living proof that even the tiniest creatures can have a huge impact on the world. They are farmers, engineers, soldiers, and architects, all rolled into one. They demonstrate the power of cooperation and show us how a community working together can achieve extraordinary things. So, the next time you see a small ant marching along the pavement, take a moment to appreciate the complex world it belongs to. You're witnessing a tiny but mighty force of nature, a member of one of the most successful and fascinating societies on Earth. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of ants. If you found this as amazing as we did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more incredible stories from the natural world. See you next time.